We have this example of calculating the center line for a wall, and the wall is, as you can see here, is we can't apply only the formula to it, because it has this part will go down and this part will go this side, and this will make a rectangle which we can use the equation for, but this part and this part will be left out, so we need to add them up. So we'll do this using the formula and the equation. So this part, the shaded part, will be, we'll use the equation for that one, and that is, this part is 14, and this will be 14, so 14 multiplied by 2, and this is 17, and this part are 17, so we can apply the equation for that part, and we say 14 meters multiplied by 2 plus 17 meters multiplied by 2 minus 8 times the thickness of the wall. The thickness of the wall is 200 millimeters. Multiplies half of the thickness, which is 0.2 meters divided by 2, is equal to. So this will give us an answer of 61.2 meters. Now we'll do this part, and let's take a look at this part here closely. So if you look at this a bit, if we zoom in here, and this is the part that is left for us to calculate. So if we look closely at the center line, this is the center line. So if we would like to know how much the center line is, we have the distance is from here to here for one part, and this is the other part from here to here, and this is clearly for this part is equal to 6.8 meters minus this part, which is 200 millimeters divided by 2, is equal to 100 millimeter, which is equal to 0.1 minus 0.1, and for this part it is equal to 3 meters minus, same thing, will subtract this part, which is again equal to 0.1, and this will be equal to 9.6 meters. So if you go back to the previous number that we had, was 61.2, so 61.2 meters plus 9.6 meters, and the total distance is equal to, total center line is equal to 70.8 meters.